Welcome everyone to Monday's Great Hall Computer Activities. Hope everyone is doing great out there. We sure do miss you all from being at MTC. So I have a couple things I want to talk about real quickly in this video clip, and then let you get started on the activities for today, which you should have your schedule already with you as to the time of day that you should be spending on this. Okay. First off, we're going to watch a series of video clips that are kind of interactive that you watch, and then at the end you get a certificate of completion and so forth. And I want to have you make sure you save those, and I'll talk about that shortly. I also want you to be able to continue with your practice and your typing skills. And so the Typing Club, there's a separate video that follows in the playlist, Typing Club Access, that you should watch and go to that location and sign in and so forth and continue the process each day. So first of all, let's go ahead and get started with the Digital Learn website that we're going to work with. Now there's a link in this YouTube, or down below this YouTube clip right now, there should be a link that goes to digitallearn.org, and it's actually courses navigating a website, and you'll see the big old arrow pointing there. And you can pause this video at any time and write all that down and come back to it later if you have trouble getting to that, and making sure that you typed everything in as you see it there. Okay? And let's see. Again, you can pause this clip and write all that information down. What you'll do here today for navigating a website. Now, mind you, I know that all of you are, well, just about all of you are really good at getting on and doing some things on a web browser there in the computer lab. So this is just kind of refresher, and it's a process I want you to follow along with. You actually would click the Start a Course button over here, and then you come to the introduction, 45 seconds. And what'll happen is you'll see a little avatar that starts talking. Hi, I'm Sarah. You probably don't hear her because like I do at the moment, but when you're on the website, she'll be talking to you, and she'll talk about the process of getting around on the website, the different parts of a website, and so forth. And you can see up here, course navigating a website. There are 3 parts to it, and when you finish all 3 parts, as you click through it, you'll come to this. It'll pop up and say certificate completion. And there's a download button right here that you can go ahead and, if you're on a computer, download and save that file for me. Or you can take a screen shot of it with your computer, or use your phone to actually take a picture of it. And you can also, by the way, visit these since you're looking at a YouTube video, the link will be available there as well. You can view this series that we're working on your phone as well. So there you can do it phone or computer. Just a little, if you have a computer, it's a little larger screen and so forth. But either way, it's going to work out for you. Okay. So once you've completed that, remember to save that for me. Okay, and let's see, next up, the Typing Club. Now there's a Typing Club video clip. It says Typing Club Access next in our playlist for today, and I want to make sure that you go there and log in and try to continue practicing your skills, your typing skills. Okay. I can see what's happening there once you log in, and how much time and how well you're doing. And so that's going to be very helpful for me to be able to know how things are going for you. And let's see, one last thing. Well, I'll talk about money type websites. trying to find some things that are very similar to what you're using, basic coins or making change, but haven't come across the same type just yet that's free on the web. I'll find them. They're out there somewhere. But in the meantime, I'll post in Wednesday some links for the U.S. Mint and the games that they have available regarding coins and history of coins and math and so forth there as well. Okay, so that'll come on Wednesday. So Wednesday and Friday and next Monday as well. We'll continue in this series of dealing with the website. We'll talk about online scams. We'll talk about phishing, internet, not phishing like you're out with a fishing rod. You know, it's part of the online scams, and internet privacy, all right, accounts and passwords. So those three topics we'll cover Wednesday, Friday, and Monday, and very important. And today is basically to help you understand how to go through the website, get that certificate done, and save it for me. And then that process will follow each of the days going forward with this series, okay? And let's see, I think that's about all that I have at the moment. Stay well, stay safe, and miss you all. Take care. Bye-bye.